Hey guys, we just wrapped the end of the school year, which means lots of fun parties and awesome traditions. My favorite is getting the kids with squirt guns on the last day when they get off the bus. But it also means tons of stuff that comes home, artwork and schoolwork, and it can get totally overwhelming. So in today's video, I want to share with you $1 and affordable ways to keep it organized and display it. I hope you guys enjoy.
Paper's really heavy.
First, let's talk about displaying artwork. Kids are natural born creators, and I think sometimes it's easy to get bogged down in some big fancy display when really all you need is just some dollar store command hooks, some dollar store twine, and a few clothespins. The kids pick their favorite pieces that mean the most to them. We were lazy and waited until the end of the year to do this, but it worked out. It made getting rid of the excess so easy. Research shows that allowing kids choice is paramount. We display the majority of artwork in their bedrooms, their creative space, and their story. They can start learning decluttering early. What do you think?
Good.
And you don't need a lot of space to do this. If you don't have a big wall, you can also sneak these into another small corner of your house. I love the mini palettes that they sell at Walmart. You can add a clothespin to them and rotate out art.
Owen started, you pick.
And then begs the question, what to do with the goggles of art you don't use and display. Some of our favorite ideas are to take a picture that lasts forever with no physical clutter, or use as wrapping paper and gift cards for presents, or even add to matted frames to give to grandparents as gifts. It's frugal and anything in a frame looks totally legit. And with the rest, no shame. These items are the less important or duplicate things, so we're gonna recycle this. Next, kids' memory boxes and storage. Sometimes there are pieces you want to keep and save forever boxes, and here's how we organize and decide what to use. Binders are great if you have time to scrapbook, but it didn't work out for us, so we love watertight containers. I'll be sure to link some affordable options below, and hanging files by grade level. It's the easiest to keep up with system. Something that we are really focusing on is creating memory boxes for our kids that can be realistically enjoyed. So by refining what we keep, it's really worked out for our family. And at the end of the year, we go through and pick a few of our highlight items, something that tells the story of that year. A writing sample, a few drawings, some silly artwork, or things that reminds you of that season of their life. In my mind, less is more, and it's really fun to go through these folders with them as they get older. Add a picture to the front of the folder of the first day of school if you want to. And if you're looking for a really affordable option, the Dollar Tree carries cardboard organizers. This is one of their best office supply products. It actually does fit hanging folders, and it's a great place to store some of those additional items that are too big to fit in a clear box. If you want more organizing videos, definitely leave this one a big thumbs up and subscribe so I can catch you in the next one. And let me know in the comments down below how old your kids are. What grade are they in now? Are you shocked? Did it go by fast? I can't believe this year is over. All right, I'll see you guys soon. Bye.